Hi guys, tonight, whatever, we are going to do salsa verde or not salsa verde, chili verde. I will be using my salsa verde in it. Chili verde in the Instapot. What is it? So we are going to start out by putting it on saute. We are going to add some oil. I have cut this really small because I'm making this tonight to go on tamales. So normally you would cut this into bite-sized pieces like you would stew. So I just wanted to clarify why it's so small. I'm going to add that. And we are going to brown this. I have a pint of my home canned chicken broth. I have a pint of my salsa verde. I have some minced garlic, some diced jalapeno, and about a quarter of a diced white onion. So I'm going to let this get going. Can you even see? No. Going to add some garlic salt, some white pepper, I love using different peppers in my meals. Some white pepper. Here we go. Let that get cooking. So when this is browned up, I will add all that other stuff. So we will be back when this is browned up. Okay, now that that's done, adding our garlic, jalapeno, and onion. I'll be right back. I forgot to get a can of green chilies. I also decided to use some Better Than bouillon because I will not use a whole pint of broth in this batch. This is one of the best things for winter. Make a big old pot of it. It freezes beautifully. I even can it. Eat it with some flour tortillas or fried up corn tortillas. It's just yummy. Get some poblano peppers, put them in there, Anaheims. But this is my Instapot version. So I have the stovetop cook all day version. I have that toasted already. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of my bouillon. One cup of water. A can of green chilies. Stir that up. Going to add a jar of salsa verde, and that has all those other things in it that I was talking about. So it'll save you prep time. And now I am going to put the top on. Maybe. Okay. Close that. Close your exhaust. And we are going to pressure cook this. Cancel your saute, by the way. Pressure cook for 25 minutes. And there we go. And that's on high. So I will see you when this is ready and the tamales are ready, and we'll cook it up. I mean, plate it up. Sorry. Okay, guys, it is ready. I'm going to turn it off, and we are going to quick release. Play tick-tock, tick-tock. Give me a second. You need that pin right there needs to drop before you even open it. So make sure that drops. My hubby is ready for his food. I'm kind of ready too. I want me some tamales. And did you hear it? It dropped. So I'm going to open it up. Let's see what we got. Oh, it smells so good. So first I am going to put some on the dish. You know what? I think I want to thicken that just because of how I'm serving it tonight. So, give me one momento and we're going to thicken this up. So I'm going to turn it on to saute. I'm getting some flour. I've got about a tablespoon of flour. And just to be fancy schmancy, I'm going to use some cream. A little bit of water. And I'm mixing it in a bowl like this. It's called a slurry. Or you can use cornstarch and water. Or if you had time, you could sit here and let it reduce on its own. But since we want to eat now, I'm doing it the quick and easy way, not the traditional way. And I'm going to pour it through here just so I don't have any lumps. And it thickens pretty much immediately, and that cream will give it a nice silky texture. Can you tell I'm hurrying? This is truly a weeknight warrior dish. And if you all did not know, this is a collaboration, an open collaboration with Teasers Pleasers. There we go. So if you all would like to join in, if you cook in your Instapot, go ahead and go check that out. There we go. That's a little better for what I'm wanting tonight. Since we're having a tamales. Mucho better. Okay. Yeah, much nicer. Lay out a bit of that and get my tamales. off here. Okay, sorry for the wait, but I had to take the husks off the tamales. Topped it off with some, I'm in the light, aren't I? Topped it off with some I can't get out of my light. Can you see? There we go. So there we go, and mine will have a dollop of sour cream. So there you go, there's your Instapot chili Verde. If you have any questions, post them down below. The plate's getting heavy. If you haven't subscribed, think about doing that. Go check out Teaser Pleaser's collaboration with the Instapot recipes. And a thumbs up always helps me out, even though I was in a hurry with this one. So I will see you guys next time. Have a great night. See you later. Now, how do I turn off the camera? Yeah. Without putting it in the plate.